Hi friends, let me show you this set of 4 men's bracelets that I received for reviewing purposes. They are really nice bracelets. You get four of them with different styles. This is black stones, all of them black, as you can see. They are really nice. They have this closing system, okay, or tightening system. Perfect. You get one with more bluish stones, as you can see. Really beautiful. You can order them for yourself, or you can, well, have them to give to your friends as gifts, or maybe you and your couple, your partner, can use them. They are aimed for men, but as you can see, they will look beautiful also with women. So I think they are more like unisex, okay? This one is really beautiful. It has this kind of tiger eye stone, okay? These have a different closing system. These are just like flexible like that, okay? So I'm going to put them here. Perfect. And the other one has this black and silver and kind of red stones, also flexible. Just put it like this. So as you can see, they are 4 different styles, different colors, all of them really nice. The stones feel really good, really strong, and you can wear them 1, 2, 4 of them. You can give some away, whatever you want. These are really nice bracelets for men. I will say also for women. So perfect, really recommend them.